In this video, I show you how to add negative keywords to your Google Ads campaign. When you launch an ad campaign, Google wants to show your ad to the world. And you have to tell Google, no, don't show it to the world. I only want you to show the ads to these specific people. Ideally, people who are ready to either buy your product or hire you for your services. And the way you tell Google who not to show your ad for is by adding negative keywords. So it's very easy to do. To add negative keywords, you have to either be in your campaign or your ad group, and you come down to Audience, Keywords, Content, click on Keywords, and here in the left here you'll see Keywords. This is where your keywords are that you want your ads to appear for, and then over here we have the negative keywords. You click on negative keywords and you click on the blue button, and you've got this box here where you can copy and paste or type in the keywords, the things you do not want your ads to appear for. Be sure you're in the right campaign, of course. Now, where do you get ideas, or how can you tell what your ads are appearing for that you don't want them to appear for? Well, for that you go over to search terms, and to find that you go into Insights and Reports and Search Terms, and here you can see these are the search terms over here in the left column. These are the search terms that triggered the ad to appear for this particular client. He's a septic installation client, and you can see here, now this is when he does not do pump outs, but his ad appeared for septic tank pump outs near me. So pump outs we would take out of there, copy it, and then paste it in a negative keyword list. And you'll want to do this on a regular basis. If you have a small account, once a week is enough. If you have a very large account, you should probably do it every day. So there you have it. If you have any questions about search terms or negative keywords, or if you'd like some help with your Google Ads, get in touch. I'll be happy to meet with you over the phone. I offer free phone consultations. The link is in the description below this video.